So today I'm here to share you a new update. I always give you update back to back all the time about what? Brazilian knots, hair extensions. So I know that many of us are already used to the micro links hair extension, the V-light hair extension, the eye tips and keratin tips hair extension. So you know that there's always new invention every time. But this Brazilian knot has been in use for a long while now. So I'm here to give you all you need to know about Brazilian knots. So if it's what you would like to watch and learn from, please watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on anything about Brazilian knots. Hello lovely Lolare Airline family, it's your girl Lolare Airline again, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. So if you are new to my channel, you're welcome on board. Lolare Airline loves you back to back all the time, yes. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be getting more updates on hairs and wigs from us. Some of my returning subscribers, we love you. Thank you for always showing up on our channel all the time. We really appreciate you. And also don't forget to share with your family and friends who might be interested in things like this from us. So let's get straight to the video. What are Brazilian knots? That's a major question. What are Brazilian knots? So Brazilian knots are a form of hair extension which are done into the hair strand by strand using a what? Elastic thread. Elastic thread, that's the only major difference about it. They use an elastic thread to install the hair extension to the hair. They are done using individual strands of hair and not hair bundles. Individual strands of hair, not the hair with weft. As seen in this video, these are individual strands of hair used to do the Brazilian knots. Brazilian knots are done to give the hair volume like every other hair extensions. They are done to give the hair volume, to make the hair fuller. That's why Brazilian knots are done. So the next video you'll be seeing now is how Brazilian knots are done. So just watch this video and see very well how they are done. You can do Brazilian knots if you want your hair to have volume, like very full hair. And if you don't want to apply glue to your hair, you know some of the hair extension you have to apply glue, like the V-light technique, you have to apply glue for that one. So if you don't want glue to be applied on your hair and you want the fuller hair look, the hair to have volume, you can go for the Brazilian knots hair extension technique if you want volume and you don't want glue added to your hair. The good part about Brazilian knots is that it can be used on all hair types, and also for the Brazilian knots is easier to do and it doesn't have any reaction per se on anybody's hair because you use elastic thread to make it. But for other hair extensions like V-light or micro links, you can react to the copper aspect. Some people react to the copper, that's why they go for the Brazilian knots. But for the V-light, some people might react to glue, some people don't want glue on their hair, so that's why they mostly go for the Brazilian knots. So Brazilian knots has no effect on your hair majorly, and it can last for a longer period. Some people carry Brazilian knots for as far as 8 to 12 weeks. Some people carry for like 3 months, 4 months, thereabout, as long as it lasts and doesn't have any bad effect on your hair. All you just need to do is to remove it when you're done with it. When you're tired of it, you can remove it. And also a good part of Brazilian knot is that you can wash your hair anytime. You can wash your hair anytime. So you don't need to worry about the hair strand coming off or the knots coming off because they are tightly done on your hair so you don't worry about it coming off. So you can wash it. You are free to wash it as you please. Wash your hair the usual way you wash your hair, and you can restyle it and do anything you want with the hair. That's the good part about the Brazilian knots. Unlike the V-Light hair extension, you can't wash it, because once you wash it, the glue comes off. So that's why they always advise people not to wash it or even swim with V-Light hair extension. But with Brazilian knots, you can wash it. You're very good to go with washing it. So don't you just love that aspect of Brazilian knots? It's very good. So if you want to go for hair extension, you can go for a Brazilian knot too, because it's very good for all hair types. The next video you'll be seeing now is the video of how they are washing the Brazilian knot hair extension. You can see it's not coming off. Just watch this video again.
Many people asked, how do you maintain the Brazilian knots? You treat it as your own hair. Wash it. You can put treatment in it and proceed to detangle. You can either wash and go, put it in rollers to dry. You can do your protein drops. Or blow dry directly and then proceed to style the hair. And do a ponytail if you wish.
One thing to also take note of with Brazilian knots is that you need to be careful when oiling your scalp when you have Brazilian knots done, because when you apply too much oil, the hair strand can slip off. You know, oil can make things slip off. So the way they are doing, you know, is an elastic thread they used to do it. So when oil is applied too much to it, it can make the thread weak or loosen out in order to pull out the strand, and you don't want that type of thing to happen to your hair. So it's better you apply minimal oil to your hair when you apply Brazilian knots. Also, Brazilian knot is not suitable for those with weak hair, because the hair extension is attached to your hair. So if your hair strands are weak, it's not advisable for you to go for a Brazilian knot. So it won't pull off the remaining strands you have on your hair. So you can go for other hair extension method, or you can do a sewing or installation. But don't go for Brazilian knots if your hair strands are not so strong and they are weak, because it will worsen the case of the hair strands. Because the process of applying the Brazilian knot can be a bit aggressive when tying the knot with the thread, elastic thread. Can be a bit aggressive to the hair, and it has to be staying very firm. So if your hair is weak, it's not advisable, so you won't pull off the strands of your natural hair. Another beautiful thing you can do with Brazilian knots is that you can style your hair any way you want to, be it curls or wave or anything, because the strands are staying firm on your hair, so you don't have to worry about it coming off when you're styling. Just watch the next video I'm about to show you. It's going to show you detail of where they are styling the Brazilian knot, and it's not coming off. It's very lovely. Just watch this video. I know many of us might be curious about how will I remove my Brazilian knot. How will I remove my Brazilian knots? So it's not something difficult. It's a thread, like I said, elastic thread. You can simply use your scissors or blade to remove it. It doesn't require a serious process, removing of the hair extension, just like the V-Light. V-Light, you have to use the machine to remove it, but this one doesn't require any process or stress to remove. Just use your scissors or blade as seen in the video above. Just watch this video to be able to see how it is removed with their scissors. So I believe after watching the video, you've learned something new today, which is on Brazilian knots and how to do it, how to style it, how to wash it, and how to remove it. So you can also share with your family and friends who might be interested in Brazilian knots and want to do it on their hair to give it that volume and thickness you want. So let us know your thoughts about Brazilian knots in the comment section also. And also don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also leave a comment under this post to show your interest in this hairstyle and the fact that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you. So we'll be getting updates on things like hairs and wigs from us. We don't cease to always give you update on hairs and wigs. So to see more on hairs and wig and more of videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in our next video. We love you. Mwah.